Pacific Coast Appliance Repair has been providing top-tier professional appliance repair and service for the San Fernando Valley and most of Southern California since 2013. We service and repair all major household appliances, including refrigerators and freezers, ovens, stoves, cooktops, hoods, and microwaves, dishwashers, washing machines, and dryers. In addition to servicing all the major brand name manufacturers, we are also experts with high-end brands like Sub-Zero, Viking, and Thermador. Every one of our customers receives personalized service from our friendly technicians who are equipped with all the necessary tools and common parts to service or repair your appliance in a timely, efficient, and hassle-free manner. All repairs are backed with a full 30 days labor and 90 days parts warranty. Pacific Coast Appliance Repair is licensed, insured, and ready to work for you. We accept all major credit cards, ATM check cards, personal checks, and cash. Contact us today. Our staff is available 7 days a week to schedule your fast and reliable appliance repair over the phone. For your convenience, you can also schedule an appointment 24/7 through our website, PacificCoastApplianceRepair.com.